A major development tonight in our final disrespects investigation out of South Carolina. The former Marlboro County probate judge at the center of an investigation surrendered this morning.
Yeah, so Tammy Bullock is now charged with a felony count of pointing and presenting a handgun. Now, this whole incident happened back in February when this woman, Shonda Nash, says that she and Bullock got into an argument. Nash says that Bullock then pointed a gun in her face and threatened to shoot her. Bennettsville police initially charged Bullock with a city misdemeanor gun charge.
But this morning, police dropped the misdemeanor and upgraded the gun charge against her. And Fox 46 Chief Investigator Jody Barr was there when Bullock was arrested and joins us from the county jail tonight.
Well, Tammy Bullock walked out of these jailhouse doors a few hours ago after spending less than 3 hours in the Marlboro County Jail. Last week, she resigned as a member of the county probate court. This week, she's facing a felony gun charge. Ms. Bullock, is there anything you want to say? Tammy Bullock had a date Thursday morning, a surrender date with the Bennettsville Police Department. A few days ago, investigators told Bullock's attorney they had a warrant for her arrest and agreed to let her surrender at 6:30 Thursday morning. Bullock was right on time, and so was the victim in the case, Shonda Nash.
And she had the gun right to my face and was like, I'll shoot you, Shonda.
Investigators called Nash late Wednesday to tell her they were dropping the misdemeanor gun charge against Bullock and filing the felony state-level criminal charge.
I was surprised. I mean, I was honestly surprised that they were going to charge her. I figured we'd just go to court and they would end up getting it thrown out. So I'm curious to see how this plays out now.
Bullock was set for a jury trial on the misdemeanor charge later this month. That won't happen now. Instead, she's facing prosecution in the South Carolina General Sessions Court. Do you have any more confidence now that at least this will get a fair shake in the court system?
A little bit. I mean, we'll see. I mean, I don't really know what to think right now. I'm just going to kind of wait until we go to court and see how it plays out there.
Bullock was escorted into the Marlboro County Jail Thursday morning in handcuffs. And like any other person charged with a crime, she had her mugshot taken. She was fingerprinted and spent a few hours inside waiting on a bond hearing.
How can I help you?
I'm waiting to see Judge Rogers. Bennettsville City Judge Larry Rogers held Bullock's bond hearing without either Shonda Nash or any other member of the public inside to see it. It happened while we were waiting outside the courtroom door, asking to be let in. The only people allowed into the hearing was Tammy Bullock and her attorney.
You with the news media?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the reason why we're not letting in due to COVID, so that's the reason why we was only limited to our people in jail at this time, okay?
Can you, what's the judge's name?
What's the judge's name?
Yeah, the judge who made it. Because I'm calling Supreme Court and filing a complaint. They can't just, you can't disallow people into a public court process, proceedings.
Okay, well, I'll let him talk to you.
Yeah, thanks. We interviewed Bennettsville Police Chief Kevin Miller last month. Miller's department was criticized for the way investigators charged Bullock in February by issuing a traffic summons instead of an arrest warrant. Did the Bennettsville Police Department in any way do Tammy Bullock a favor by charging her this way?
Absolutely not.
The chief asked the city attorney to review his department's handling of Bullock's case. Although the attorney found no wrongdoing, the city decided the facts warranted Bullock being charged at the state level and her prosecution handled by a prosecutor with no ties to the city or Marlboro County.
The fact is the Bennettsville Police Department is 100% acting in good faith on everything we've done, and we will continue to do with this case or any case.
Bullock spent exactly 2 hours and 35 minutes inside the county jail before walking out the front door under a $5,000 bond. What do you want to see done at the end of all of this?
I mean, she resigned and everything, but I don't think she should be able to carry a gun or anything like that. I mean, that should be stripped from her, and I mean, honestly, anybody else would get jail time or probation or something, so we'll just have to see how it goes from here.
Tammy Bullock was released on a personal recognizance bond, meaning she did not have to post a single dollar to get out of jail. The solicitor here in Marlboro County told the Bennettsville police chief he'll send this case to an outside prosecutor, possibly even the state attorney general, for prosecution. Tammy Bullock would not talk with us when she left jail here earlier today. We'll continue to track this case to find out who'll prosecute it. From the Marlboro County Jail, I'm Jody Barr.
And you can catch yourself up with our final disrespects investigation by heading to our website, fox46.com, where you can watch every piece from this story from the very beginning.